Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use Instagram frames. New Instagram update 2024. Instagram frame stickers are pre-designed frames you can add to your Instagram stories to enhance your photos and videos. They come in various styles like Polaroid frames, geometric shapes, or themed designs. However, you can't directly create custom frame stickers within Instagram itself. There are two workarounds to achieve a similar effect. First, use the built-in frame stickers. Open the Instagram app, tap the profile at the left, and create a new story. Tap on the photo, then tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now, select frames from the sticker options and choose a frame design you like from the available options. Now, select your photo or video for the frame. And then, edit and personalize your story with text, stickers, or drawings. The second option, use the cutouts feature. This lets you create a sticker by cutting out an object from a photo or video. While not exactly a frame, it can achieve a similar effect. First, create a new reel or story and select your image or video. Tap the sticker icon and choose Cutouts. You can use the automatic suggestion or manually refine the object you want to turn into a sticker. Then, resize and position the cutout on your story like a frame. After you post your story, your friends and followers can shake their phone or tap the Shake to Reveal button to develop the image inside the frame. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.